Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So student, in our previous class we have started question number 1 from exercise 13.3, right? And we have completed that. So from today onwards we are going to start question number 2 of exercise 13.3. Alright, so the question says that find the number, okay, from each of the following expanded form. Now in question number 1 the numbers was needed to get expanded. Now here the number is already in the expanded form. Now you will write this in the number standard form. Okay, so how to do this? Just simply write 1, then 4. This 4 will indicate how many 0? 1 2 3 4. Simple. Put the plus sign over here, it will be plus 6 into 1000. Why? Because there is 3 0. The exponent this 3 will indicate that there will be 3 0. Similarly 0 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Yes, because 10 to the power 0 means 1. So if I write like this, 8 1s are 8, then how many 0? 4. 1 2 3 4, right? Plus 6, how many 0? 3. The 0 will get, number of zeros will get reduced when you move towards the right. So 0 into 1000 is 0, plus 4 into 10 is 40, plus 5 ones is 5. Now when you add this number, so what you are going to get, that you have to write over here. Alright, so when you add this, you will be getting, alright, so 8 6 0 4 5. Just pick this number 1 here, 6 0 4 5. So this is the way to get the standard form or the number from the expanded form. Alright, so let us proceed to the part B question. Alright, here we have the part B. Okay, to solve this we will use the similar concept, but just see the difference here, that the power, the sequence is not there. Once you see ones, there is no tens position. Tens position is getting missed. Ones, tens, then 100. 100 will be 2 0, then 100, then comes 2 3. Now here 4 is getting missing, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 is getting missing. So what we are going to do here, just see 4 for this. If you expand this 4 into, it will be written 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, then plus sign, you see ones, tens, 100, 1000 places missing, so you will multiply this with like this 1 2 3 4 5. So 4 0 will be this there. If there will be a difference, do you see there will be a difference? No. If you multiply 0 into 10,000, there will be no difference. Just to fulfill its place, just to fulfill its place, we are writing this. The place value should not be jumped. Okay, you should not jump in any of this step. So that's why now you will start with the 5 into 3 0, that is 5,000. Now again 3 into 100. Now you will see in tens position is missing, right? So for tens position, what you are going to do, 0 into 10. Okay, so 0 into 10 is 0 only, nothing is going to matter. So 2 into 1 is the another step. Okay, next what you are going to do, now 4 into 10,000 is 1 2 3 4 5 plus 0 plus 5,000 plus 3 0 0 plus 0 plus 2. Okay, now you will understand why this is very much important to write over here. Okay, if you see the power, if there is a difference in the power, notation is, if there is a difference 0, then it is jumping directly to 2, then 3. Okay, but here it is again directly jumping to 5. So in such condition you have to multiply with its place value with 0. Okay, so now you are going to choose this 4 0 5 3 0 2. Now understood? If you have not suppose written this 0 over here, then what you have done, 4 5, right, then 3, then 2. But if you calculate the value, then that would be correct or incorrect. All right, that would be incorrect or wrong. Or you may not have got the correct marks. Okay, so for that you have to understand this concept also. So 4 0, then comes your 5 3 0 2 is your correct answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So let us now proceed to the part C. Alright, proceeding to the part C. Here we have 3 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7 into 10 square and 5 into 10 to the power 0. So now if you have such questions, then what you are going to write? Just see the notation first. 0, then it is directly jumping to 2, then it is directly jumping to 4. So ones place is there but no tens place. 100 is there but no ones, tens, 100, no 1000 place. Then directly it is proceeding to 10,000, right? So ones, tens, 100, 1000. So now what we are going to do here is, okay, 3 into, first of all you will expand this, 10,000, yes, then which place is missing? 1000 place is missing, so you will multiply that with 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Then if it is not mentioned, also you have to write this. I hope you understood this in number B part, why it is very much important or mandatory to write this notation. Okay, so 7 into 100. Now whatever is given, that's all right. It is given, you will write directly, but you have to look after that also, which is not written or which is not mentioned. So tens place is missing. If that is not mentioned, then you will multiply that with 0. Okay, then plus 5 into 10 to the power 1 value is 1, 10 to the power 0 value is 1, sorry, then 3 into how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 0 into 1000 is 0, and 7 into 100 is 700, plus 0 into 10 here is 0, then plus 5. Alright, now you add this 30705. Alright, now I hope you have understood more clearly. If you have not understood those this concept in number B, then in number C I have made you more clear. I hope you have understood this, right? So the last part is left, part D, which will be a home assignment. You will just see how I have solved part B and part C, and see here it is only mentioned directly from tens position, not from ones position, right? There is no 0 power or exponent. Tens, then 100, then directly it is proceeded to 5, 2, 3 is getting missing, 3, 4 is getting missing, so you have to multiply that with 0. Okay, so do this home assignment. Alright children, with that question we are over with question number 2. Now we are doing question number 3. Okay, so the question is, express the following numbers in the standard form. You have to now express this in the expanded form. It is just the very simplest one. You'll just write the standard form of the given number. Whatever the number is given, you will write that into the expanded form, standard form. Now 5 into how many 0 are there? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So just write 10 to the power 7. This is the standard form of the given number. Alright. Now similarly, you will write the standard form. Here I forgot to write, so I'll be writing here. So standard form of the given number is just first of all you write the first digit number, whatever the number is given, alright, at the extreme left. Now you will count how many 0 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So you will now multiply, you will now write 10 to the power 6. So this will indicate 6 0 are there after 7. Okay, now next important thing. This is very important part of the exercise. Now this too, by counting the 0 you have written why this is how this can be done, right? So now what here I'm going to write is 3 point. Now after point, whatever the numbers are here, only this part, not 0. Do not count 0. Okay, this you'll write 1865. Okay, after the single digit. Okay, single digit 3 to the extreme left, 3 will be written first, then the decimal sign, then whatever the numbers are there except 0, you will not count 0. Okay, or you will just count the natural number 1865. Then you will write, now you will count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till here. You will not count 3. After 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So you will write 10 to the power 9. Okay, So just see the way how I have done, and again you try to do number 4 also. Just see, I'm doing number 4. Okay, 3. First of all, 3 should be written, then point should be given. Then how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here no zeros are there. But you will count this 0 if this 0 is in between the number. You will count this 0. But if suppose there was more 0, then you should not have counted that 0, right? Now after 3, point should be given. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you'll write all this number 90878 into. Now after point, how many numbers you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the power 5. I hope you have understood this. Put the first digit over here to the extreme left, then put point, then 90878 should be written. If there was suppose 0, you should not have written that 0, how we did in question number 3. Then you will write, you will count after decimal, how many, after decimal point, after this dot, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the power 5. Alright, so now let us proceed to the part 5 question. Then you will understand in more details. Alright, but here you have the decimal sign. Alright, here you have the decimal sign, but no problem, we can do this. Just put the 3 first. This after how we are doing in the part 3 and part 4. We will solve to the similar manner. Put the point, then how many digits are there? 90878. Those all digits you will count. 90878. Then you will count after before this point. Alright, before this point or decimal, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you will not count this 3 because we have already written this in before the decimal. So you will count after the 3 digits. After 3, how many numbers are there? Which numbers are getting included? 1, 2, 3, 4. You will not count again this. So you will be 10 to the power 4. Okay, I am repeating this part again. Most of the students get confused with this. So if you have a decimal already in the question, now that will create a problem. But don't worry. The first to the extreme left corner, whatever the number is there, 3 is here. So first of all, you will write 3. Then you will put 1 point or decimal. Then you will write this whole number 90878. Alright. Now into 10 to the power 4. Why 10 to the power 4? But sir, you have also included this 8. But why I have not counted this is because this is after the decimal. You will count only those number which is before the decimal, and you will not count this except this number. Okay. So number 6, you will try it yourself. Okay, and you will show it to me. You are going to show me this part. Alright, I hope you have understood this part. Now if you multiply this, you are going to get this number. If you multiply this with this and this number, you are going to get this number. If you multiply this, you are going to get this number. So this is the way, or this is the trick to find the number. Suppose you have 52962000. If you have suppose this type of number, then what you are going to write first? First of all, you will write the 5. Okay, then you will put the point or the decimal. Then how many numbers are there? What are the numbers present after 5? But you will not count 0. That is the important thing. So 2962. But whenever you are writing the exponential form or the standard form, you will count with the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 10 to the power 8. Alright. Now I hope you have understood this. I have shown you the example. So this one was your example. So try to practice more and try to understand in a deeper way. Alright. So see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Do not forget to practice. Alright. Thank you everyone.